One of the great customizable features in RB pertains to the drop-down menus. All of the drop-down menus in RB are customizable by you to fit your company's needs. So let's take a look at this particular field here. In a new resource setup, if we're creating a new resource, there is a resource type field. Now, this particular field itself is not important. It has to do with what type of resource it is you're setting up, but you'll notice the different options we have here. So we put in items here that are selectable that we think our clients do in their day-to-day business. Now, that may not hold true. There may be things in here that are missing that you want to add to the list, and there may be things in here that you see that you do not want to see because they have nothing to do with your business. So by using the code manager, that will allow you to edit that list. So let's cancel out of here, and we're going to go to setup and then list. Now this particular function is going to be categorized, and that's how it will break down. So as an example, we were in resources, so I'll expand resources, and we were looking at resource type. So everything you see in here is everything that was in the drop-down menu. So first of all, if there was something in here that's nothing to do with your line of business, then you can simply click on that item, select edit, and uncheck active, and then save it. So that will retain the item, but it will make it inactive. So basically you won't see it in that list of drop-downs, but it's still there. Another option you will have is to create new items. So you'll notice there is a new button at the top right, and if I click new, you can give the new item a name. So I will create one that says proofer, and save and close. So now if I go back to my resources function, now that I've inactivated one and created a new one, so if I was to create a new resource and now look at the resource type drop down, now we'll see proofers here that we just created, and voice writer, which I inactivated, is no longer there. So that's using the list function to edit what you see and select in the drop down menus within RB.